In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Minecraft Armor Box error. So let's get started with some of the potential fixes. The first one we have is update Minecraft and mods. So update Minecraft and mods. So ensure you're using the latest version of Minecraft and that your Armor Box mod is compatible with it. Outdated versions can cause conflicts and errors. The next one we have is verify mod installation. Verify mod installation. So double check that the Armor Box mod is installed correctly and placed in the appropriate mods folder. Refer to the mod's installation instruction for specific guidance. The next one we have is check for mod conflicts. Check for mod conflicts. So if you're using other mods, ensure they are compatible with Armor Box and each other. Conflicts between mods can cause errors. The next one we have is try a clean install. So uninstall and reinstall Minecraft and the Armor Box mod to eliminate any potential conflicts or corrupted files. The next solution could be to disable other mods. So temporarily disable other mods to isolate the issue. If the error persists without other mods, it's likely related to the Armor Box itself. The next one we have is check for server compatibility. Server compatibility. So if you're playing on a server, ensure that the server supports the Armor Box mod and that it's properly configured. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.